Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today we show you how you can turn off localization app tracking in your POCO X5 Pro. So we start from the opening the settings, then go to the apps and choose manage apps. Now you can see that we have an app list. Now just look for the app that you want to turn off the app tracking. In my case it will be a Google Chrome. And now just tap on the app permissions. You can see Google Chrome have a location permission on my phone, so if you want to deny it, just tap on it, choose don't allow, and that's it. Google Chrome, in my case, or any other app on your phone cannot track you anymore. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.